Warning, guys. New warning.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for southern Douglas County, Polk County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along the line extending
Oh,
from
sweet
5
butter
miles
Jesus!
southwest
There's
of
another one on the ground.
Glenwood to 9 miles northwest of Monson Lake State Park, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. These tornadic storms will be near Glenwood around 5 p.m., Alexandria around 5:10 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Alexandria Airport, Gilchrist, Glenwood Airport, Fort Adon, Villard, Sedan, Nelson, Grove Lake, and Westport. Turpie, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from
That's not good. Double header.
Flood warning remains in effect possibly. Renville in Cloud County.